Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Blockchair for Bitcoin price alerts easy tutorial step by step clearly. Once you are on the home page, look for the menu at the top of the screen. Click on the Bitcoin option in the menu. This will take you to the Bitcoin section, where you can find various tools and features. Next, look for the price alerts option on this page. Click on price alerts to proceed to the alert settings. You will see an option to create a new alert. Click on that. Now, you need to set the price at which you want to receive an alert. Enter your desired price in the designated field. After entering the price, you may also choose to set a frequency for notifications. Select your preferred method of notification, such as email or SMS. You may be prompted to create a Blockchair account if you haven't done so already. Follow the instructions to create an account, providing the necessary information. After your account is set up, you will be redirected to the alert confirmation page. Review your alert settings to ensure everything is correct. Finally, your subscription for Bitcoin price alerts is now active. You will receive notifications based on the settings you configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.